GNCRC back, guys, once again with an update on the Losi Mini B. Y'all fooled you guys this time, so I got a few things done. I'm gonna go over everything that I have done so far. So today I had a little time. To get into this thing. Had a wreck on my bicycle. I guess you say wreck. Had a fall, had a spill, so had a little time off, and this weekend I'm gonna take a little time off. But the first thing I want to show you guys that I installed is the adjustable aluminum motor mount by Hot Racing. And I'm sure you guys have seen this a million times. Now, I am going to say the one thing that I don't like so far about it is if you notice those positions of those screws, I can only move them. So that one is down. So if I want to slide it forward, I can't slide it forward because of the way the slide is. Look like it should have been higher, or that one should have been drilled a little bit lower. But we'll get into that a little bit later. So that's the Hot Racing. This is the stock. And you'll notice you only got certain positions you can do on the stock one. No heat sink, no big deal. The next one that I do have, I think I'm going to put this, I may end up go ahead putting on this one because I think I'm going to make this the flagship. I'm not really sure. I don't know if I'm going to make this one the flagship or I'm going to make the other one the flagship. But this one has more adjustability. You really can't tell, but it can slide. I can slide a whole lot further. So with the new motor, I think that'll be perfect. Even probably the TP also. So that's the one thing. We got that taken care of. And I did get the Losi gear cover with the plug. And that is, I took it off actually. Well, this is the stock one. So it's no plug, so I don't have any way of adjusting actual spur gear, slipper, I guess you could say. And I don't know what I did with the other one, but it's basically the same thing as this, but it just has a plug right here. So it's an opening. Let me see, can I grab it? Hold on just a second, guys. So here, this is what it looked like. It just has a plug right here. So I just got to pop this in here, but I can pop this plug out and I can make that adjustment. So that's one of the things. The next thing that we have is, well, you can never have too many of these. This is a screw set. Unless you guys are familiar with that. But I had the idler gear, which you can't really see it. It's actually inside of here. And it is a whole lot, it weighs a whole lot less. I tried to weigh it, but I couldn't get a good, this particular one didn't come up anything. I forgot what the other one came up. But it's really light, aluminum, really light. So we got that installed also. And next we have the CBD kit. I think this is what that is. I got another one, but I can't tell what's here. But the CBD kit, and that is installed here. I'm not really sure if you need it. They do say the car is brushless ready, but I went ahead and did it because I do know they make real good quality parts. Same way with their tools, but I went ahead and did that because I am going to be putting some serious power on this thing. And then, of course, you guys can see right here, had it in another video, this is a 3S by, I think they pronounce it Tattoo. It's an 850 milliamp. And then, of course, I put the TP power mode in there just for now. I'm not sure which one I'm going to run first. So I do have this, and I also have, you guys saw it in the other video. I'll put a link in the description of that one also. And then I also have I'm not going to take it out. You guys have seen one of these 100 times. This is a stock, well, not stock, but this is a Castle 5300 kV motor. So we got that installed. And, I know what the other part was. It was the MIP slipper clutch. So we got that installed also. And then, so from here, I got to put in my ESC. So that's part of the Mumble Micro X ESC. So I got to get that installed. And I also chose to go with the Spectrum SR215. Now this is going to be tight because if you notice, once you put this in, you can only put it one way. You can, and it's gonna be tight, but I figured out a way, and you guys will see that on my next update, hopefully, because soon I'll be go ahead and I'm gonna do these all black, and then I got to put my connectors on here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this ESC in here. I'm not really sure which way I'm gonna go with this. I think this is gonna be my flagship. I'm not really sure. May even go with the other ones being my flagship, but when I say flagship, I just say the fastest one out of the two. Not really sure. But I put out the majority of the upgrades in this one so far, so it's probably going to be this one. What else do I have? So, I'm not really sure. I'm thinking I may go on the second car. I was thinking about the 2-in-1 system, but I think that's only a 2S system. Not really sure. You guys can tell me. You can put it in the comments below. That's just a Dynamite 2-in-1 just to get it on the road. But I think I may do a Tekin at some point in here, because I know I can get that Tekin ESC right alongside this receiver. But I do have another way I'm going to mount this in here. It's going to be pretty clean. It's not exactly what I want, but it'll work. I'll say it like that. But this is the other car. You guys have seen it on the teaser video. This is the other car. It's still stock. Only thing I've changed, I put the wheelie bar on, the chassis protector, and I changed the wing to the clear wing. But outside of that, that's pretty much it. And this one, I'm not really sure which way I'm going to go with it. I got a couple ideas. I got a couple things I want to do with it. I just don't know yet. But I think since I put all the main upgrade parts in this particular one, I think I'm going to go ahead and stay on this particular one and just go ahead and do what I'm going to do on this one. But I think the first motor I'm going to try out is going to probably be this TP motor. Or I may go ahead and stick the 5300 in there just to see how it is. Or I might even stick the 5300 in here and get another, I don't know, maybe a Tekin ESC and put in here. Or I may be putting the Tekin in this one. I don't know. You guys comment below, tell me what you think I should do in this case. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Hopefully by this Sunday, I'll go ahead and, because I'm not going to be riding my bike this Sunday because I'm still feeling bad. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing set up. I should be able to put some power on it. I got to change the connectors on here, and I got to change the connectors on here also, and I should be up and ready to go. But until next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for checking the video out.